Everyone ready?
We leave in 5.
Tickets, passports, snacks.
I called the window seat.
I packed Bunny.
Not yet.
Grandpa? Are you coming?
Of course, sweetheart.
Okay. Okay.
If traffic stays like this, we'll be early.
That almost never happens.
I can't find my glasses.
We'll help you.
They're probably in your bag.
Here they are. Oh,
You knew.
Grandpa? You scared?
A little.
Look, that's gonna be us. Come on, everyone.
Dad, you okay? Just
Give me a second.
something isn't right.
Dad, you've been trying not to come all morning. If I leave, it feels like I'm leaving her behind.
Final boarding call for Flight 247.
We can take another trip. We don't get another dad.
I'm with you.
You'd really stay. Home can wait.
She would have loved this. I think she already does.